No, because this is the best glueless wig I've ever gotten or seen on Aliexpress, period. Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new 40-inch wig unboxing. This is a 40-inch 7x5 glueless wig. I know I've been telling you guys I want to do more closure wig reviews because I'm turning into a closure girly. I don't want to do too much work anymore. So this is a 40-inch closure wig, so I'm super excited, straight from Aliexpress, and I did buy this wig 100% myself with my own money. This video is not sponsored, you guys, so we are going to go ahead and jump into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys, this wig took a minute to come. I don't know if it's because of all this tariff talk going on. For one, I've been so scared to order from Aliexpress because I didn't want to have to pay some kind of extra fee or something because I do live in the US, you guys. So I was pretty scared to order from Aliexpress. So let me tell you guys when I actually bought this wig. Because I'm going to tell y'all, I've never had a wig take this long to come from Aliexpress in my life. But it has been a lot going on. So I will give them that. I ordered this wig May 9th and it came today, which is May 19th. So that's 10 days. That's not that long, but Aliexpress wigs usually come in like 3-4 days. So this was a minute for me. So that's one thing, but it's been a lot going on. So when I got this wig, I did like peek in because I was like, what is this? I had forgotten about ordering this wig completely, you guys. But yeah, this is the wig. I didn't look at it yet. So you all are we're going to experience this together, you guys. But this wig is from Line Hair. I paid, let me tell you guys, this wig cost $226. So this is a 40-inch 7x5 HD glueless wig, 250% density. So this is a 250% 7x5 glueless wig, 40 inches for $200. That's not bad at all if this wig is actually good. Let's see. A new 40-inch closure wig, yes! Okay guys, so this wig is from Line Hair. Let's go ahead and open it and see what it's giving. I feel like it has a little bit of weight to it. So I did peek in. I just peeked. I didn't open it all the way because I was like, the girlies need to see this. My friends need to see this. Let's see. Okay. It says it's 250% density. Let's actually take it out the package. They didn't put any gifts in there, so no extra fluff at all, you guys. You just get the wig, that's it. That's it. But let's see. So, okay, so it is pre-plucked. The knots are already bleached, so you don't need to worry about any of that. The lace is cut because I know a lot of people get scared when it's time to cut the lace. Like, they do not like cutting the lace whatsoever. So here's how it looks. Like that's a low-key a wide part. It looks good though. I know on the head it's gonna look good, but on here, like, I like this though. This is like a natural part. This is gonna look good when you actually apply it. But let's take it off of this little paper thing and see what it looks like on the inside. Here is the lace, bam. I would say this is more so, the lace is thin, but I don't think this is actually HD lace. Like, usually with HD lace, I feel like I see little hairs, like, you know, it's like little threads and what have you. But no, this lace is really thin. I am happy about that. And it does have an elastic band on it. So, let's actually look at this hair. So, here is the wig. We are going to go ahead and pull out my measuring tape and see if it is true to length. I know there's like a debate of where you hold the measuring tape when you actually measure your hair. I'm going to do it the vendor's way because the vendor's way is not the way I like to do it, but that's the way they do it. So let's just see what it gives. So if I hold the measuring tape up here, the wig is, I'm getting about 36 inches. That's 4 inches shy. 4 inches shy of 40. So how do we feel about that, girlies? Let me know. But as far as the hair itself, I feel like this is a nice thickness. The hair looks beautiful and it is the same uniform thickness all the way to the ends. But is the wig really given 250% density? It's more so 180 in my opinion. But guys, the hair is really good. And for the price, so the other 40-inch wig I had, it was from TikTok Shop, And that wig was like almost $500, and I would say it was very thick. But nobody wants to pay that, especially all the time or anything. So this wig, for the price of it, I think this is a really, really good. We're going to install it, of course. Let me show you all where it's gonna fall on me. Let me show y'all. So this is where it falls on me. It is like right under my butt. We'll see how it looks when I actually install it. So even though this wig is glueless, it should be able to be worn glueless. I feel like I still do see myself like actually using maybe some lace spray or like just a little something, because it's a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair, you guys. But this hair is actually really, really pretty. I'm happy with the thickness, to be honest. I'm happy that the thickness is also the same all the way down. So that is a plus in my book, like absolutely a plus. And the closure is a nice length. Look at how long the closure is. The closure is long, so it's not like super like choppy between the, well, you know, like the closure length and then the actual like hair or bundle length. So that is a plus, you guys. I like this wig. I am happy with it, to be honest. Like, this is really, really nice. So let me actually see. I'm hoping it doesn't usually take that long, but around May 9th is the time all these tariffs were going up and down, up and up, up and up and down, down, down. So I'm hoping that it doesn't usually take that long, because this wig actually came from Illinois, I think. Like, there's some kind of warehouse in Illinois and it shipped from there. But the subtotal was $206, so it's basically right at $200. So that's not bad at all. So the one thing is, I like this. I'm happy with it. I'm happy for the price. I don't know if it was some kind of mistake that this wig is measuring 36 inches in my book or what. We're gonna see when I put it on. It better actually eat and touch the bottom of my butt, because if I get a 40-inch wig, it absolutely has to touch the bottom of my butt. Like, it has to. So we'll see. But yeah, this is nice. This is nice. We're actually going to install this. It's not going to be a real install because it should be a glueless wig. It should be a glueless wig, and the elastic band, of course, is adjustable. I like this. This is my first like Aliexpress glueless wig that I've enjoyed. Like, I'm really happy with this wig. So once again, this wig is from Line Hair, you guys. So Line is, I've been seeing this company for a minute, and I didn't know if I wanted to order from them or not. But this is Line Hair. It's shipped from the United States, 40 inches, 7x5 HD glueless wig. Of course, I'm going to link it in the description box, you guys, so you all can get the exact wig, check it out, see what it's giving. But I bought this wig myself, you guys, and I didn't message the vendor at all this time. I know sometimes I message the vendor and be like, hey, do you guys have the 40-inch 7x5 wig in stock right now? I didn't do that at all this time. So I don't know, maybe they didn't have the 40-inch and they were like, we just gonna send her a 36-inch and call it a day. I don't know. But I'm actually really, really happy with this wig. It looks so, so cute. I can't wait to put this thing on. Look at that. The part is gonna look absolutely gorgeous, because I feel like so often when you get a part, so I know I was like, oh, that part is wide. No, that's a good thing, you guys, because so often when you get like a pre-plucked part like this one on this wig, the part is too thin. A super thin part, to me, it looks really wiggy. I like more so a thicker part, because when you see a lot of people, like, they have a little bit of thinning in their part, especially if it's in the middle, because so often they're doing middle parts or like a bun to the back with a middle part. Like, it's gonna thin a little bit. So the fact that this is like this is really, really good. I don't want it to be like super straight, super uniform, and just like full density on each side. You don't want that at all with your wigs, you guys. You don't want that. So if you don't need, like, it is also pre-plucked, like the actual front of the hair, but I definitely want to wear this like a bust down, black, and I want to see how well it curls. So I'm definitely gonna come back with another video, you guys, but I am happy with this wig. This is very, very nice for Aliexpress. For the price, like, this is nice, you guys. I know I might have been like, but no, this is good. This is good. I'm excited about this. But once again, of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and have a great day, you guys. Bye.